Those are what the lifters look like on the bad cylinder in my bulldozer. Those are good lifters. Those are different style lifters there. This is what the front 3 cylinders look like. That's a good cylinder. That's a good cylinder. That's the cylinder with the bad piston. I'm hoping they'll just push right out from underneath. I'm wondering about what I need to do to clean these blind holes in the block. Some of the cylinder head studs came out when I took the bolts out. That is the pan I want to remove. It's about 3/8 thick plate. I'm thinking I can put some chains underneath it and lower it down. That's where this side of the engine's where the water manifold goes. Let's see. This is a cable control unit. How can I identify it? I don't see. That's supposed to be a data plate. It no longer says anything. That's it for now.